physical quantity has two things. It is must for a physical quantity to have a numerical value and its unit. Unit basically defines the property that is being measured. So the property that is being measured by this is length. Length is measured in millimeter, centimeter, meters, kilometers. This is the unit of the physical quantity, and this is the value, or you can say the magnitude of that physical quantity. Every other physical quantity has a specified unit. Let's take example of mass, 2 kgs. Here kg defines that this 2 is the value of the mass that is measured. Kg measures mass. Now mass also has some other units: grams, kilograms, tons, pounds, and so on. So every physical quantity has a numerical value and a unit. This thing is called a unit. Let me write down a few units for you. Meter, kg, then you measure current, ampere, then you have the intensity of light, which is candela. After that you have mole, then you have time. Time is measured in seconds. This is seconds, moles, candela, ampere, kilogram, and meter. This is what units are.